Welcome, family and friends. Thank you for being here to share this special day with Joe and Nina.
Dangerous plan, just this time. Stranger's hand clutches in mine. I'll take this chance, so call me blind. I've been waiting all my life. Just take my hand. Oh, I was made for loving you, even though we may be hopeless hearts just passing through.
Do you, Joe, take this woman, Nina, to be your lawfully wedded wife, to love, honor, and cherish through good times and bad, through sickness and in health, until death do you part?
I do.
Do you, Nina?
Yes, I do.
With this ring, I thee wed.
With this ring, I thee wed.
I was made for loving you, even though we may be hopeless hearts just passing through. Every bone screams, I don't know what we should do. All I know is, darling, I was made for loving you. Please don't go. I've been waiting so long. Oh, you don't even know me at all, but I was made for loving you.
I've never seen you as happy as you are today.
I was made for loving you.
You and him, perfect couple.
By the state of Connecticut, I now pronounce you husband and wife. Daddy, you can kiss mommy.
Every bone screams, I don't know what we